For learning cycle 1, I'll be going over the future value of annuity, or F-A. The formula is F equals A multiplied by 1 plus I to the power n minus 1 over I, where A is annuity, the annual payment, F is the future value, I is interest, and n is the time. We use this to convert a uniform series from time 1 to n to a single amount at time n. This can be explained best in an example. Suppose you want to buy a house in Calabasas in n equals 40 years. Now suppose that in this account you're going to be setting up to save for it, you're going to be putting about $2,000 a year. Now let's say that this account gets you an interest rate of 10%. Pretty good in my opinion. How do we use this formula? Well, first, we got to set it up with the numbers we have up here. So our future value F is going to be equal to 2,000 multiplied by 1.1 to the power of 40 minus 1 close parentheses over your interest of 0.1. Now when you do that on the calculator, it brings you the amount to $885,185. So 8. Which would be the future value of this investment, which would be more than enough to buy you a house in Calabasas. An alternative way of doing this would be on your financial or graphing calculator. If you have a TI-84 like I do, you can go to Apps, Finance, TVM Solver. Now see, I already started it, but let's start from the beginning. I have my N equal to 40 years, my interest equal to 10%, the whole round. Present value is 0. We're paying $2,000, so it's going to be negative outflow of cash. And here you'd hit solve. Now let's say that the interest rate is only 5%. You go down to future value, alpha, enter. So if you're looking at a 5% interest rate, you'd only be getting $241,599. We can confirm this by plugging it back into the formula. So we have 1.05 to the 40 instead of 1.1 to the 40, and we'll have 0.05 instead of 0.1. Now going back to this, yeah. So like the other answer showed, 241,599. If we divide that by this, you're getting nearly four times the amount that you're getting in the future with a 10% interest rate.